So here are the bees. They're kind of hot. It's about 85 degrees right now, and it's about 7:30 at night. They're hanging out outside because it's so hot. It's called bearding. So what I'm going to try to do, is take them down and move them someplace else. Actually, I'm going to set them on top of my top bar beehive. It's probably a little cooler over there. It's in the shade. And we'll see if they stick around. So there's my top bar beehive. And I'm just going to move the swarm trap over and just set it on top of this hive. Let's take a walk over and take a look at it. And I'm just going to set the swarm trap right on top of here. And leave them overnight, see how they make out. I already have a feeder in place. You see down there. What it is, I just take a jar, a mason jar full of sugar water, and turn it upside down on top of this. And the bees go in here and drink the sugar water from the droplets underneath the jar. The jar lid has holes in it so they can drip out. This is just a dividing wall, and I put a little channel on the bottom. Stick that in. So on this side, all you see is that. And the bees go right in there. Get some sugar water. That's it. Okay. These are top bars, and they basically just build their comb off of these pieces of wood. And this is actually what's inside of the swarm trap. I have 5 or 6 of these, same size as these. So all I have to do is just transfer the bars from that box and put them in here. And then take these few of the bars out of here and put them in the swarm trap. Even have a little window here so I can watch their comb building progress without disturbing them. You can see inside the dirty window. Alright, so we'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to go pull down the trap. So here's my bee suit. Here, I'll give you a close-up look. I had to take one of my gloves off so I can operate the damn camera. But anyway, here we are. Oh, I can't get this a little smaller. Nope, anyway, there they are. So they're just hot, sort of hanging outside to cool off. Looks like it shrunk down a little bit since it's getting late. They usually go inside around this time of night. Well, since it's so hot, some of them are hanging around outside. So I'm trying to take it down and move it over there. And the way I have it up here is just by put down with bungee cords wrapped around the tree. Same with the top. That's it. Let's take a look inside. Alright, I'm going to pause it for now and try to take us down. I'm going to give them a few more minutes. Some of them are still coming back to the hive. I don't want them to get lost when I move it. Plus it's cooling down a bit, so maybe they'll all go inside too. Plus this friggin' bee jacket is hot. Very cool. See you in a few. The transfer was successful. Here they are. These. There you go. Hopefully they'll still be here tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a few of them coming back a little late. They're all disoriented now. Their house is gone. I feel bad for them. Oh well. So here they are in their new location. Hope they stick around. Must be a lot of something going on inside that box, because it was friggin' heavy. A lot heavier than when I built it, because it's pretty much just an empty box. But now maybe there's some comb in there, but just a hell of a lot of heavy bees. So there they are. We'll see how that works out. It's a shame about the other ones. Oh well. Here we are, so maybe I'll come back in a couple of days and transfer the top bars from inside the hive, inside here. They sit in here like this, they're next to each other. And I'll just lift them out and just set them in here. And that's it. By the way, I'm standing here without a bee suit. They're really, really gentle. So, let's see. They came from over there by the shed. And now they're back here.